Hello, welcome to English Podcast for Beginners. This is a place for friendly voices and simple English. I am your host, Lovely. It is so good to be with you today. Do you ever feel this? You study English, but you forget the words. You feel tired. You think, I must study more. But what if you do not need more time? What if you need a better way? Today, we learn how to study smarter. Are you ready? Let's begin. So, what is study smarter? It means to study in a better way. It is not about long hours. It is about a good method. Your brain gets tired. It cannot remember everything. So we need a smart plan. I have two important words for you. The first word is repeat. Repeat. Do something again. Repetition is very powerful. When you repeat a word, your brain remembers it. Your brain says, "This is important. I will keep it." But how do we repeat? Do not say one word 100 times. No, that is not smart. The smart way is repeat a little many times. Repeat today. Repeat tomorrow. Repeat again next week. This is the key. Let's try it. Listen to this short talk.
Hello, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm great. The weather is nice.
Yes, it is. A nice day.
Good. Now let's listen again. This time, count the word nice. How many times do you hear it? Ready?
Hello, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm great. The weather is nice.
Yes, it is. A nice day.
Lovely. Did you hear it? 2 times. The weather is nice and a nice day. Very good. You are not just listening, you are focusing. This is studying smarter. Now, the second important word. The word is connect. Connect. It means to join things. Do not learn words alone. Connect them. Learn words in a sentence. Learn sentences in a conversation. This helps your brain understand. For example, do not only learn book, learn I am reading a book, or this book is interesting. You see, you connect book with other words. This is more useful. Let's try another short talk. Listen.
What did you do yesterday?
I listened to music. I also cooked dinner.
Oh, nice. What did you cook?
I cooked soup. It was delicious.
Okay, what did the person do? They listened to music. And they cooked dinner. They cooked soup. It was delicious. Delicious means very, very good. Now you try. Can you answer? What did you do yesterday? Say, I listened to music, or I read a book. Try to say a full sentence. Just try. Great. You are connecting words. You are making sentences. This is how you learn. This is smart. So, what are our 2 keys? Let's say them together. The first key is repeat. The second key is connect. Excellent. You do not need 5 hours. Maybe you study for 20 minutes, but you study every day. You repeat words, you connect words. This is the smart way. We are at the end of our time. So, what did we learn today? We learned to stop studying more, start studying smarter. How? Use 2 ideas. 1, repeat. Repeat a little many times. 2. Connect. Learn words in sentences. This is a better way to learn, a happier way. Thank you for listening. You are doing a great thing. Learning English is a beautiful journey, and you are not alone. I am here with you. Until next time, be kind to your mind. Keep practicing. Remember, study smarter, not harder. Goodbye.